Good morning guys! So, off na naman si Inday. Tayo ay gagala guys. Meron tayong gagalaan sa Indiana. It's like an hour and 15 minutes away lang dito. And mag-o-open siya ng 9:30 pero 10 o'clock na guys. So, malate tayo ng mga 1 hour. Pero okay lang yan kasi hanggang 4 PM naman yung pupuntahan natin. So, whole day tayo doon. Then, uuwi lang din tayo after kasi 1 hour and 15 minutes lang naman. So, ayan guys. Update ko na lang kayo kung nandun na tayo. Perfect pala yung weather today kasi mainit. Ayan. So, mga panlakad-lakad tayo doon sa pupuntahan natin guys. And inaantay ko lang yung husband ko. Check niya lang. Double check yung yung apartment kung naka-off lahat. So, ayun guys. I-enjoy na natin yung mga ilang days ng summer or parang fall na kasi. So, wala na masyadong init in the next month. So, kailangan nating maggala kasi for how many months tayo ay kulong na naman. So, ayan guys. Update ko na lang kayo kung nandun na tayo sa ating pupuntahan.
For 4 miles.
Souvenir center yata nila to. Let's see. Yay! Pasok tayo guys. Tingin-tingin konti. Tapos siguro may map sila dito para alam namin saan ka punta. And iihi din kami guys. Let's go. Yan yung mga presyo ng shirts nila guys. Meron pa dito. Meron silang paganito. $6. Cute. So, elephant. I don't know how much.
Feed, what not to feed, and where to go afterwards, which is this building right next door. There's a set of double doors over there. That's the Ruse and Crew Encounter building that has giraffes, kangaroos, monkeys, sloths. It's like a walk-through zoo. That's included, as well as Grizzly Ridge is now open. It's back here. You can get out and see the grizzly bears. And well, I don't know if you can get out or not, but you should be able to at least drive by them. And then the dinosaur safari, the animatronic dinosaurs, is included. That's really cool.
Oh, yeah.
At the door, you'll see the sign that says drive through to the right.
To the right.
You're going to go down the hill to, there's a little white gatehouse.
Okay.
White
And at that point, make sure all your windows are up.
All right.
Okay.
As you
That's
pass
close.
through the gate, you're going to turn left, and you'll immediately see a small tan animal shelter on your left. Keep your windows up, and don't start feeding until you get to that building.
All right.
Okay.
If you encounter animals prior to that, which I'm sure you will, because they're going to rush down to you.
Oh,
okay. Well, just keep moving. We want to draw them away from that gate. We have a cattle crossing there, and we don't want them to get near that, because if they slip in there, they break a leg.
So
Okay.
Okay? So that's why we want you to just keep moving as much as you can, and draw them back up here for us.
Okay.
Okay? And like I said, you can go through more than once.
Okay. Thank you. So we got the food, guys. And this is the map. Yep. We're gonna feed while we're driving. So, dito pala tayo sa Wilstam Wildlife Park, guys. Dito sa Polly, Indiana. Hindi ko pala na-mention yata kanina. Pero nakita nyo naman sa mga clips yung mga signage. So, ayan. Let's drive and feed the animals. They're looking for food na. You ready to feed na? You wanna try? You wanna try?
Oh, bantayin mo kami. Ayun, dito.
Oh my gosh! Oh my god!
Mabaya ba ulit yan?
Close.
Talawits, okay ka. Tingnan mo ganito ya. Tama na.
Let's go! Bye! Bye!
Bye! Bye!
Bye!
Thank you! Thank you! Thank you!
Gutom yun siya, oh.
Thank you!
Cute kayo. Halok pang na yan. Don't kiss me. Hadlok man ay. Guys, ang daming gutom na animals. So, yung buti na lang dalawa yung dinala namin or binili namin. Kasi gutom sila guys. Ayan. Sana may sungay. Cow. Camel, no? That's a camel, guys. Oh, lalo. Ano kayo kasing manungay ba? Taloan na, guys. Ano? Gusto kong feed, ano? He's feeding the... Ewan kung camel ba yan o ano. So cute. Watch out baka may wala.
Thank you.
Siya hindi siya masyadong gutom. Malapit talaga sila guys. Gutom talaga sila. Pinag-intermittent fasting yata tong mga to.
Asa naman ako pagkaon, babe?
Ikaw may nag-thank you.
Thank you.
Picture lang takabi. Ato bang. Wala ko manan.
Ano naman? Balo dyan sila sa mga dito, no?
Dami nila guys, oh. Ang cute. Look at that guys. A deer. Oh, madlo ko. Hindi ko naisungay. Tanaw lang ta anak nila. Ikaw, gusto ka? Madlo? Picturean pa ka. May ato ba?
Thank you.
Ano pa doon siya? Uy, hindi na siya diet.
Thank you.
dinosaur cute! Wow! Parang totoo. Here you come here. Look. No. No. There's another one. Look at that, guys.
Medyo tinood.
There's a dinosaur, baby. It's Dilophosaurus. I don't know how to pronounce it. But that's the dinosaur. Stegosaurus. Maliliho. May battery. Alo. Wapalibak. It's moving, you guys. See that? That's a dinosaur. Murad yung tinuod po. Hello! Kiki, oh! You see that? Look at that. Brachiosaurus.
Sab. 65 billion years ago. Wala.
More dinosaur. Lely Nasura. Oviraptor. Mga baby. Look at that, guys. There's a baby dinosaur. 2 baby dinosaurs. T-Rex, you guys. Look at that. Ito naman. Ito yata yung lumilipad. That's so cute. Dinosaurs, guys. Mag-asawa siguro to. O magjowa. Uy, magjowa mo? Nag-aaway sila, guys. LQ sila, LQ. Tara. Karoon pa siyang tingog ni Agi.
Kulang dito yung signal.
Kulang battery. Another one, guys. This one. Look at him. He's like a real dinosaur. Parang totoo talaga. Woolly mammoth. Ayan na, guys. That's all for the dinosaurs. Bear! Is sulog ay sila. Wala sila gipagawas. Ay, ngayon na lang sila dito. Kita nyo guys, may bear pero ang layo. More zebra guys. Ayan. Wala itong papaunang page. Shelter yung puti na yan. Diyan sila nilalagay pag winter giraffe. I think mo nang walk-in zoo. Ay, walk-in zoo. Saan silang playground. Maganda dito pag may mga babies, mga bata. Wow, ano sa din? Goat feed, $5. So, pwede magpakaunda rin. Ay, feed cup trash. Oh. Ka-cute. Pwede magpakaunda rin. Ha? Pwede masiguro ni pakauna. Pinapaubos na lang namin yung ano guys, yung feeds. Kasi doon na kami sa walking zoo. Katapos nito. Sharing guys. So ito na yung last feeding zone guys. Punta na tayo doon sa walk-in zoo nila. Ang cute nila. Yung isa talaga parang hindi nakakain ng ilang years. Dito naman tayo sa may zoo nila guys. Let's see anong mga meron dito sa loob. I think that's okay. This is the entrance. Employees only. Employees only. Let's go in. Tingnan nyo naman yan guys. Ang cute. Oh. Hello. Hello. Makain sila ng ano. Sweet potato, tsaka fruits. Hi! Ang liit-liit niya. Yan guys, oh. Ang cute. Liliit nila. Guys, may iba-iba pang mga animals dito. Ayan siya. Look at them. They're so cute. Look at that guys. Wolf. Para lang aso. Amazing.
Oh.
May ahas guys. Alam nyo na tapos ko dyan. So, hindi tayo lalapit dyan. May giraffe guys. Ang cute. So, yun lang guys. Tapos na yung ating pa-tour. done with our Willstem Wild Park tour.
Next stop, Badins.
That's a quick one. Morning zoo na pinakadali na to na human. Yun lang guys. Ito yung zoo na pinakamadali lang namin natapos. Hindi naman siya kasi masyadong malaki. And medyo madali lang din yung pag-tour namin sa loob. So ayan. Kakain muna kami guys. It's already 1 o'clock something na. Wala pa kaming lunch and yung breakfast namin itlog lang. So let's go, let's eat.